97 F350.
You're not supposed to look at that yet.
It's on the screen.
Whatever, dude. Thanks, Dad. Thanks, Dad. I appreciate you. Hey guys, Dustin here with Custom Offsets, Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. Today I'm joined by Zach.
With 9-Line Apparel.
Yeah, there we go, we got it.
Yeah, you got it.
Behind us, it's a 9-line truck. Zach's actually here to pick it up. The build series should have gone live by the time this video goes up. So check it out, it's on our YouTube, it's pretty cool. We did a whole revamp on the truck, it's awesome. So we're back with another episode of Head to Head. Now this is your first time with Head to Head, right?
Yeah, that is true.
Before we do that, Wheelstar Suspension, CustomOffsets.com. Let's get into it. Ready?
Yep.
All right, on the left, on the left, we have a 1997 Ford F350 Super Duty, Fittipaldi FTF 07s in a 26x16 on Interco Snipers 44 by 18 and a half. Holy shit, that's a wide tire.
Are we gonna gloss over the negative 101 offset?
Yeah, it's a 16 wide, you know. And he's on a custom 12-inch suspension lift. Let's see if he has some notes in here. No notes, just says 12-inch custom lift kit. Massive, massive.
No
OBS
rubbing
Ford.
or scrubbing because the entire truck is on
above
top
the tires,
yeah.
Correct. On the other side, we have a 2020 Ram 2500 on Forces. He's on the Cortex CC 26x16, again in the minus 101 because it's a 16 wide. Fury Country Hunter MTs in a 35, 15 and a half wide, and a 12-inch FTS lift kit on that one. So both 12-inch trucks, one 2020, 197. Kind of a battle of the OBS versus 5th gens here, you know.
Yeah, I don't know. This guy ran out of money after his lift, and that's why he went with 35. While this other guy just had to go with the 44s. That's a real small tire on there for a 26. It's a 26 running 35s. I mean, it just...
Yeah. Look at
and the
this.
squat.
Oh no, I didn't see it. Wait.
Dude, that is
back
some
up.
serious
back
squat.
up. Back up. Are you sure?
Yeah, back
I think
up,
you're lying to me.
Back it up. Right
Oh, okay. Well,
no.
He's off the road.
That's not
there.
off the. He's not in a ditch.
Yeah,
all right. He's at
listen.
1 inch off the pavement.
It's fine. So on the left, you have this massive OBS brown, big old front bumper, LED cubes in there. It's two-tone even, which is kind of interesting.
That was that old like ranch paint scheme.
Yeah, it's crazy. Big 4-link setup, obviously, on this one, being that it's. What do you think this thing has for lift? It's got to be bigger than 12. It's massive.
That has to be.
It's crazy. It's big. It's big.
Yeah. I mean, the entire body and frame is well above the
tires.
44s.
Yeah, which is crazy to me. All right, Keaton, let's do it.
Ready?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
Right. Whoa. Why left?
I cannot get over the 35s on the 26s. It looks like he stretched black rubber bands around his wheels.
That's fair.
I mean, like I'm all about like the big wheel. Like you don't have to have a ton of rubber, but that's just like
Too much for you.
Way too much.
Or maybe too little.
He's got too little. He's got the squat going on. I'm not buying it. He's off the road thing like that. Dude, the whole the OBS just mixed with like the 26s on 44s. Just have you ever seen that before? Exactly.
I think that's why I went the other way though. For me, it's like it's a clash of two worlds, you know. And
Yeah.
I really like. I'm a 5th gen fan to begin with. They look really good. I agree. The tire, he kind of skipped leg day a little bit, you know. But
like you throw the 37s on there, I think it changes the entire look of it.
Without a doubt.
Yeah,
absolutely. Moving on to the next pair. On the left, we have a 2017 Ford F-150 on MO962 Moto Metals and a 2414 with the AMP Mud Train Attack MTs.
Yeah.
The tire that you got. 35, 13 and a half and a 6-inch rough country suspension lift. On the right-hand side is a 14 Sierra 1500 on Forces again, this time the Blade SS, 26 by 16, so a little bit bigger wheel and tire. He's on 40, 15 and a half Country Hunter MTs again, and a 12-inch full throttle suspension lift kit. I love this truck.
Give me a profile. Okay, there we go.
Yeah, there you go. Nice comparison. We'll get over to the side like on this one as well. It's crazy to me how not massive the Sierra looks, even with 12 inches of lift.
Yeah, like you know it is. Like if you're up next to that, you're like, that's a big truck.
26s, 40s, and a 12-inch.
But everything looks like it belongs together.
Correct. Yep. Nice photos on the Silverado, or the Sierra, excuse me, of course, too. So he's got a 12-inch FTS with the coilovers, traction bars, rear shocks, Cognito UCAs. I mean, pretty nice, you know, well done lift all around. The F-150 has wheel spacers, 6-inch rough country lift. Other than that, not a whole lot. It looks like he's got some black or maybe some carbon fiber up on the hood. On the hood, yeah. It's tough to tell. It almost looks like carbon fiber. Big old blacked out front grille there. So
yeah, decent stance going on too.
Yeah.
When you look at it
from the side here,
the side, like it doesn't look like you're really getting any there.
He is raked a little bit. It looks like. You see that where the back end of the truck is just up a hair. Oh boy.
I'm ready.
I think I'm ready as well.
3, 2, 1.
Right.
Yep.
Yeah, the GMC that is just a well-built truck.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I mean, the forces obviously look really good. A 12-inch FTS lift is massive, and I feel like this is going to be a lot like Rainey's truck, where you look at it and you're like, oh, he's on like 26s and 40s with a 12-inch lift. It doesn't look that big, and then you get up next to it and you're like, holy.
Yeah.
Cool. Right on. All right. Up next on the left is a 2011 Silverado 1500 on Archon Caesar 2414 -81s, Fury Country Hunter MT2s, the new Fury Country Hunter tire, 37 13.5s with a 9-inch Magoi suspension lift kit.
I've seen that truck.
Yeah, you were just looking at this. This is Lawson's truck. On the right, we have a 2011 Dodge Ram 1500 on 20x12 Lincolns, RBP Repulsor MT, so the mud train, 35 12.5s with a 2-inch leveling kit. So kind of a little different setup over here. Ooh, I love the blue in the Lincoln on this Ram. Other than that, super cool color on the truck, obviously.
Yeah.
I don't think that's a factory paint.
It is.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's like that's not their Freedom Blue. That was a different one. But yeah, I think it's a normal color.
Yeah, it's beautiful either way. I love it. Mesh grille on the Ram. Looks like he's got some blacked out headlight housings. Any other notes in the bottom? Nothing. Just a 2-inch level. So pretty simple build. And then Lawson's truck, of course. Magoi 7 to 9, cranked up at 9. He's on the Caesars, custom painted everything. Rubs like crazy, but who cares? They're definitely not wrong there. Alpha Rex headlights, Black Label lighting rock lights. It's got the wrap, obviously. Yeah, all that is Candy Voodoo Violet, they call the color. He almost made his truck look good. Lawson's gonna watch this and come into work the next day, slap me for it, you know. So 2 different worlds here, obviously. Chevy versus Ram, lift versus level. 2414s by 20x12s, you know, kind of a couple different different setups. So, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, I think I'm ready too.
Ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
3, 2, 1.
Left. And I'm apprehensive to say that.
Yeah, it's not because it's Lawson's truck.
Yeah.
It's because the gentleman in the 2011 Ram that leveled it doesn't realize he can still fit 35s.
Literally though, like that's the only
With no
thing.
rubbing or
that's
like.
the only thing.
Like 33s are cool if you own a Jeep, and that's the only time they're cool.
Or a Chevy, because that's all you can fit in the wheel.
With a 4-inch lift.
For real. But yeah, I mean, it's a good looking truck. I'd like to see 35s in there, you know, because you could clear them.
Because the color is clean.
Yeah.
I got the Lincolns on there, but yeah, I get it to Lawson.
Yeah, and it would look super good, so. All right, up next, Battle of the 2017s. On the left, we have a Silverado 2500 HD on Cali Off-Road Summits, 24x14s and 35 12.5 RBP repulsors. He's on a leveling kit. On the right, we have a 17 Super Duty TIS 544s in the black and milled 24x14s again. He's on a Turo Trailblade XTs in a 345/50, which before I go and tell people is a 37.5 by 13.5. So. And then he's on a Rough Country 8-inch lift kit. So, ooh, this will be tough. This is my favorite body style Super Duty and my favorite body style Chevy. So this is gonna be a tough one for me. Start with the Silverado here. So he's pretty well, you know, paint to match front bumper. I don't know if that's part of the Z71 or not.
Usually.
Little blue action down in the
bow tie.
Yep, in the bow tie there. So just bonus points for the boat picture, you know? I like how he added this to the gallery, by the way, and it's not even, like, you can't even hardly see the truck.
No,
like,
hold
on, let me put a picture of my boat in here.
I'll flex on you with my boat.
For real. And a big boat at that, not like it's tiny. Yeah, a little bit of blue in the front. Other than that, pretty stock bodied truck. He's got the blue in the back as well. I like this wheel choice. You don't see a lot of those Cali off-roads, but they look good. Rock lights all over the place. I'm in. Ladder bars in the back, see that? On the Super Duty, we got a gray truck with the kind of the black on the bottom. Looks like he's got some aftermarket front grille action. He's got a front bumper, a light bar in the front there as well. See if he's got any notes. Nothing other than lift. Just 8-inch lift. So decent looking truck though. I like it. It's kind of almost simple, if you would. You know, the bumpers really accent the body lines on this truck, which you know they're really sharp. So it works really well here. But and of course the 544 is a timeless wheel design. So cool. You ready?
Yeah.
Me too.
3, 2, 1.
Right. Ooh. We were at odds on this. What's super fun about head-to-head is usually myself and the guest are either both going the same way or we're at polar opposites most of the episodes.
Yeah.
What made you go right?
I like the simplistic nature of the build, right?
Sure.
Not a lot of like frills to it, and you know, I just like the Super Duty.
Yeah, I mean it's an 8-inch lift at 37, so there's that. You know, it's simplistic, not even that big.
I mean, this guy just got a leveling kit and somehow managed to fit. If he's saying there's no rubbing or scrubbing in there, slight rub.
Fenders rolled and trimmed.
Okay, yeah.
Bumper spacers. Yeah, definitely, and NorCal, obviously.
Some modifications where he's not rubbing the crap out of it.
Correct. Yeah, I'm sure.
It's still a really good looking truck, but you know the 8-inch lift with the 37.5.
It's subtle.
Yeah. It's simple.
All right, that's another episode of Head to Head. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Zach, for
coming
and
having
hanging
me
out with us. It's always a pleasure to have you guys up here. Make sure you check out 9line and all the stuff they got going on. You can click the link down below, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the video so we can keep making banging content just like this one.
Yeah.
That's it. We're out. Peace.
Wow!